that! That's so cool!
Yes. It's Steinbeck again. I'm calling to notify you that I caught your son cheating on my test.
What?
On the final exam with a cucumber. So I'm going to have to fail him. Good day, sir.
I thought I was playing! I didn't mean to cheat!
Cheat again! I never cheated! I'm smart!
Shut, baby, you're next.
Ooh, I love me some casserole. Ooh, cause I had a hot pocket. Oh, damn! Chef BB! What? Bowser? Is my 4th of July dinner ready yet? No, I'm still cooking, Bowser. Can't you see? Well, hurry up! Because I'm hungry, Junior's hungry, we're all hungry! And is your parents coming over for the 4th of July? No, Bowser, I'm all alone this year. My parents hate me. All alone? Why don't you get a girlfriend? Wait, are you gay or something? No, Bowser, I'm not gay! I just have to cook and clean for you 24/7, and I don't have enough money to go on a date! Hey, don't get mad at me, cause you can't get a girlfriend, ugly! Gay or something? I'm not gay or ugly! Oh, I can get a girlfriend right now! I'm handsome! I'm sexy! I'm the sexiest man alive! Oh, I can get a girlfriend! Yeah, I can get it.